A very good afternoon to all parents and students. My dear students, I hope you would have enjoyed your summer vacation at home. But now from 1st of July, as you know, the school reopens for all. Although we are at home, but do not worry, studies will go on, academics need to be done because soon we will be getting back to school. Now you have books and copies with you, you have your diaries with you, so it will be much more easier. I would like to share with all the parents that we are soon coming up with a checking procedure every fortnight. This checking will be done of every book copy and diary of your ward. The transport person will be picking up every bag from every child's house. For that, your consent is required. So, we will be soon sharing with you the feedback form where you need to mention whether you want to agree with it or you disagree. Similarly, there are 2-3 more questions. The feedback form will be soon shared with you. For other students, when you are sending your books, copies, etc., you must also send your homework assignment books also. We are soon also coming up with the ERP system. ERP system where the timetables, where the annual syllabuses, the teachers, subject teacher's name, etc. will be mentioned. It will also be one-click window for the videos or any kind of academic questions which parents often have. It will be just a one-click away. We'll soon be launching it by say 15th of July. Also students, for taking care of your eyes and your health, we have also limited the Google Meet or say the Microsoft Teams classes. For the primary wing, we are going to have only one Google Meet or Microsoft Teams class in a day. For the senior classes 6th to 10th, we are going to have 2 Google Meet or Microsoft Teams classes in a day. Your complete work will be shared as the teachers were doing before the summer vacations by the class teacher, and you need to copy all the work and jot down all the work first in your diaries, then the whole day you can work on. And a very important thing which need to be noted by the parents as well, that from now onwards, from 1st of July, the academics done from the school's end will be completely book oriented and copy oriented work. Although videos, Google Meet classes will be taken by teachers, interactive sessions will be done by teachers, class teachers will be available on phone, oral tests will be taken by teachers, but the basic or the base will be doing work in the books and the copies. And that is why we are coming up with this fortnight checking work so that later evaluation and assessment process is much more easier. Also, as parents have always been a great cooperation and very cooperative to us from the kindergarten wing till the senior sections, I'll also request furthermore cooperation is required from the parents. The timetable for right now this adversity situation will be shared by the class teacher itself. One little change looking at the national level scenario which is going on right now in the country. We are giving up the Zoom app and taking up Microsoft Teams app or say Google Meet app. So I request all the parents to please install these apps in your phones or your laptops. This time, remember, we are really concerned with the health and the eyes of the child. We are not trying or making the timetable tedious, nor we are trying to make the child sit in front of the computer or the phone. So I request all the parents, please allow your child to copy the classwork and the homework points in the diary, and the rest of the day he can work on his own, as the academics is going to be completely book oriented. And for now, thank you so much. As always, parents' cooperation is required, and students, of course, they are hardworking and more hard work is required. Now we are moving into the era of virtual schooling program from home. Remember, it will only be possible when you are honest in your work and and you take help, seek help, obey your parents and obey your teachers as well. Thank you so much.